What's up, guys? So, real fast, I wanted to go over the trades that I took on Friday. I took two trades. One of them was a L, the other one was a W, and I ended the day in profit. The trades that I took were based on, again, supply and resistance, resistance and support slash supply and demand. And I drew this out again so you kind of get an idea of my thinking when it comes to trading. Um, Again, pretend this is, price action, resistance over here turns into support. So just because it's resistance doesn't mean it can't turn into support. Just because it was resistance doesn't mean it has to always go down from there, right? So even though I call it resistance, it should really be called like an area of interest for buyers or sellers. So this is on the 5-minute chart. I drew out some zones. This was the resistance, and we actually took the trade off of that zone. On the right side, I have supply and demand. I keep it on the 5-minute chart, and then on the left side. On the left side, I like to do my analysis on the 5-minute chart, but execute on the 1-minute chart. And that's exactly what I did. So right here, market opened. I got in a sell because if you look to the right, we were below that 50% zone, and I did see a very strong bearish candle on 5 minutes. So, I thought that it might go down into this trend line that I have. It's a huge trend line. But yeah, that's why I took a sell. So I had a 50 tick stop loss, and then my reward was probably 100 ticks going into the zone. Normally, I don't like to take trades so far off of a zone. This is basically in the middle of a zone. So I shouldn't have taken that trade for that reason because it's in the middle of two zones. But obviously I took a L right here. And then I kind of waited to see what market was going to decide to do next. Oh, also, I shouldn't have taken that trade because it was really close to market open. Normally, I like to wait a couple more minutes after 9:30 and kind of get an idea of what the market wants to really do. So after that L, I waited a couple minutes. I saw that we broke out of this zone. I could have gotten in a buy, but I didn't. Probably because it probably took off without me. Who knows? Or I just wanted to be more careful with my trade. But I waited. Then I saw it retested that zone, and I saw this weak candle over here, and that's exactly when I got in a buy. I'll show a clip of the trade too somewhere in this video. I had a stop loss of 50 ticks and then a take profit of 100 ticks at first. Yeah. Once I saw a strong candle close, I added another contract. So at that point, I was in 2 contracts. And then when I saw it rush up to 100 ticks, I moved my take profit more higher. I was gonna aim for this liquidity over here, but I ended up closing it after like 250 ticks, something like that, just because of the consistency rule that I have right now in the take profit evaluation. And also, I also took a buy because I saw we got above that supply zone. So that was another confluence I had. But yeah, the trade played out really, really good. I held it for a couple minutes, so that was good. Right now I'm up 4,900 on the 100K evaluation. So I only have $1,100 to go, and I think I have to trade 2 more days. So I will be funded soon, very, very soon. So I'm pretty excited. It's not the first time I get funded. I have gotten funded before by Take Profit, but the account was a 50K account, and I didn't take a payout. So, but this time it's in a 100K account, so I have a little bit of more space, and yeah, I really do. I know I'm gonna get a payout this time, just because of all my experience and all the lessons I've learned. So, yeah, I'm really excited for that. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want me to talk about anything else.